How I do the internal corners, people, before I forget. Like that, and then all you do is cross it over like that. But make sure you've got waterproof there so it sticks. Like so. Come on. That's it. So you slap some on the brush. Where's my brush? Make sure it's fresh. Like so. Pop it into your corner. Get your crinkles out. Lift that up. Pop some under there. Pop it down again. And you're laughing. Smooth it out. Nice. Next one. Pop some on your brush. Zap your corner so it's fresh. Pop that up there. In we go. Like so. Lift it up. And you're laughing. That's it. Smooth out your wrinkles. Right, I'll roll in my base now, and I need to go around that pipe. Now I can roll in the floor, and that'll be the first coat done. I'll come back to you now that I've showed you how I do my corners. I'll come back to you on my second coat. And we're laughing, people. I like it. Okay, see you soon. Another nice waterproofing job. See, that's my shower there. I might even go up there a little bit wider. Why not? Doesn't hurt. Go up a little bit wider and look. Don't be afraid of going further than your shower. You're meant to go like a couple of 100 mil past. You know, if I go 300 or 400 past or do the whole damn wall, it doesn't matter. As long as you're not short. Okay, we'll see you soon. This is Chris O signing off. Stay tuned, people. You'll learn heaps more. See ya.